private tours, great tours in our region, highly recommended for everyone who will be visiting the Porto Seguro area. We took a tour with a private taxi. There were 3 of us. We spent the day at Nativos Beach in Trancoso. We went to Zé Barbudo's Beach Bar. Zé Barbudo's Beach Bar has a great setup for spending the day. The food and drinks were very good. The prices were a little steep, but worth it for the quality of the place. The playlist was great. Lounge, electronic, pleasant music. Afterwards, we went for a walk in the Quadrado, town square. It was great. Trancoso is always surprising, and with Porto Seguro I had the best experience with safe transfers and lots of information. Discover Praia dos Coqueiros. And be guided by the best guide ever. People from the south recommend it. Perfect trip from start to finish. Adam is very friendly and deserves praise for his extensive knowledge of the tours. Congratulations Otten, a wonderful person who captivates tourists and knows everything and then some. Excellent, I will recommend you to everyone. Thank you for everything. Excellent guide, lively and very charismatic. Explains the stories and places well. Highly recommend. Top-notch tour. Otten is a really great guy. He loves what he does. He provides excellent service. I highly recommend him. Hugs. Otten proved to be a very well-prepared tour guide, who provided my wife and me with a great tour of Trancoso, combining knowledge, friendliness, and good humor. We took a tour to Trancoso with the guide Otten. A top-notch professional, super fun, and made the day incredibly enjoyable. Friendly, very kind, and clear in explaining the times we should meet at each moment. He recommended the best food in Trancoso and also shared a lot of interesting information throughout the trip. If we didn't understand something in Portuguese, he clarified it in Spanish. He spoke Spanish very well and understood us perfectly. We loved the tour. The guide Otten was very fun and very attentive. I highly recommend it. You can bring small children. Excellent tour, with the best guide in Porto Seguro, the wonderful Otten. I recommend it to everyone. We'll be back soon. I took 2 tours with Otten. It was well worth it. I recommend him for his positive attitude and knowledge. Excellent professional. Confident in his presentations, clear and engaging. Extremely friendly. We loved him.